if you're experiencing an installation loop with Overwatch 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue and successfully install the game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Overwatch 2. This includes checking your operating system, CPU, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Close all applications and restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be causing the loop. Step 3. Update Battle Net Launcher. Make sure your Battle Net Launcher is up to date. Open the launcher, go to Settings, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary, then try to install Overwatch 2 again. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache of the Battle Net Launcher can help fix installation issues. Go to the Battle NetApp settings, find the option to clear the cache, and confirm. After clearing the cache, attempt to reinstall the game. Step 5. Reinstall Battle Net Launcher. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Battle Net Launcher. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the installation loop. After reinstalling, try installing Overwatch 2 again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing Overwatch 2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.